Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome back to another video. So slightly different today, we got a gadget in the house in the form of a drone. So this is a H36 drone by JJRC. A few of the information, so 2.4 gigahertz for longer range and less interference. It's got a LED light, so blue and red, eversion for 360 moves, 6 axes, return to home, high speed and low speed, and a headless mode, which I'm unsure of. Okay, so if we quickly grab the box, take out the packaging. So when you take out the plastic packaging inside, the first thing you do see is the drone itself. At the bottom of the packaging, we'll have accessories. So you have a USB charging cable along with spare blades if any of them break or start falling apart. So we can see the drone at the top, which is quite a nice design. We've got the two-tone finish in black and white. But before we look into that, let's have a look what else is included. So we have the instruction guide. I suggest if you haven't flown before or used the drone, definitely use it. It gives you all the instructions on what each of the button does and how to properly use it. Moving on to the controller, very nice. If you've used a games console or any other controller for gaming, then it's pretty much the same thing. We've got the speed on the left hand side, so increase the speed of flight or how high you want to go in terms of ascending and descending. We've got the on and off button. We've got the directional on the right hand side. We also got a button on the right trigger for initiating 360 roll mode. And on the left, I believe we've got the speed, so we can go from high speed to low speed. And on the back, you've got the battery compartment. It takes AA batteries. The batteries are not included for the remote, but they are included for the drone itself. Okay, so let's quickly get back to the drone. Really nice finish, as I previously mentioned. So we've got the 4 blades, 2 white and 2 black, well, a bit of a grey tinge, I guess, and then it just looks really neat. Black and white yin yang finish. Charging the battery is pretty simple. You just grab any sort of laptop, put it in the USB port or a portable charger. I've used the Apple plug, not the fast charger, the old ones that maxes at 5 watts, I believe, and yeah, it just worked fine. Just make sure you keep an eye on it. Don't leave it charged in longer than 45 minutes. You don't want it to explode or have any issues. Now, due to the size of the drone, the battery capacity is actually very small. It measures in at 150 milliamp hours. So you get roughly 10 to 12 minutes of flight time, but I guess it's not too bad. You charge it for 45 minutes and then you get a very exciting and fun 10 to 12 minutes of playtime. The battery is housed in a cage, so at the bottom of the drone, but I did notice a slight issue. Whenever I do a 360 or I hit the ceiling or it goes down a stair, the battery does come out slightly of its cage, but it never came out to the extent where the battery was dangling down and it was affecting the performance of the flight. I mean, so far I'm really happy with the drone. I've used it, my brother and sister have used it, even my mum has used it, and they think it's a great piece of kit. Bear in mind, if it's the first time flying or if you haven't used the drone, you need to practice for around 30 to 45 minutes just to get used to how the drone works, because obviously you're using air and there'll be some resistance, so you need to know how to balance it properly. But it's really durable as well, because all of us are first time drone users. I mean, we've hit it against the ceiling probably about 10, 15, 20 different times, and we've also dropped it down the stairs because we couldn't control it properly and just lost control, and we've had several accidents and it's still intact. So the blades haven't broken, the safety guard is still intact. So in terms of durability, even if you're a rubbish flyer like us, I think it will be with you for the long run because it's quite strong. The plastic is made of high grade material as well. If I had to really nitpick, then I would say the runtime playtime is a bit short because of the small 150 milliamp hours battery. Apart from that though, a fantastic piece of kit. If you want to gift it to, I don't know, your niece or nephew or anyone for a Christmas gift, birthday gift, I think it'll be fantastic and they would really enjoy it. Alright guys, so that was a quick unboxing and first test flight of the H36 drone. I'm loving it and I still have to learn a lot of things because I'm not a very good flyer, and sorry I couldn't provide you with better footage because of the lockdown scenario. I couldn't go out and really test it to its full potential. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit like. If you want more tech content, do hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, peace.